Trailer of the day here. We changed the fender out on the passenger side. Spare tire mount, can't do it today. We're gonna do jack. It was twisted. It was outside of this groove here. So I twisted it back, hammered that groove in a little more. Now it's working. It does feel really secure, so that's good. I'm gonna do bearing, check the running gear, and check the lights. Let's get to it. These lug nuts are on backwards. When you put lug nuts on, that angle goes towards the rim. No ovaling on the wheel, so we're still good. Driver's side coming off. Checking running gear, U-bolt's good, hanger's good, bolts are on, shackle links are good, everything's good. Oh, let's take these hubs off. Passenger side's off. And driver's side, hangers look good, U-bolts look good, shackle links look good. Let's go get these packed. Passenger side spindle is on, washer is on, spindle nut going on, spindle nut tight, good, free spinning. Spindle retainer nut is on. Let's pack these hubs. Hub is packed. Let's go to the other side. Spindle clean, spindle's on, tight. Let's pack. Nut retainer is on, dust cap is on. Now let's get this fender off. And fender's off. Yeah, fender's going on. Fender's on, tight, and light is on. I gotta connect the butt connector right here. The light is wired in, marker light works. So we're gonna shrink wrap the butt connector. Butt connector's on. Let's silicone both these fenders. And silicone. Passenger side down. Driver side fender down. And tires going on. And driver's side tires on. I got a clump of wires here, so I'm gonna clean this up. Ah, scotch locks. Let us clean. Connected, let's test. Good, showing all lights are working. Marker lights good, passenger, good fender, good rear fender, good. All lights on the rear working. Right turns good, left turns good. Going back to marker lights, yes fender, yes top, yes side, and all lights work. And butt connectors all shrunk wrap. I'm a body guy now, and time to torque. Passenger side done. Driver's side done. Let's do the rundown on this. New fender, customer supplied. All lights and wiring work. I did fix the connections on the front, deleted all the scotch locks and put some butt connectors on. New bearings, new seals, new grease. I sealed up the fenders, made sure everything was good on the sidewalls. All lights work. Fenders good, bearings are good, running gear's good. This job's done. I'm on to the next.